Mnangagwa. Mnangagwa urges youth to reject corruption amid growing struggles. The 16th of August 2025, by a correspondent, President Emerson Mnangagwa has urged Zimbabwean youths to resist corruption, dishonesty, and the lure of what he termed quick money, even as citizens continue to endure worsening economic hardships and rising allegations of graft among the political elite. Addressing the ZANU-PF Youth League National Executive meeting in Harare on Thursday, the president called on young people to abandon dependency and embrace self-reliance. He urged them to become creators, not mere consumers, builders, not beggars. Shun quick money, be disciplined, Mnangagwa said, cautioning against the dangers of shortcuts and quick-fix mentalities. However, his remarks have been met with skepticism in many quarters. Critics argue that the president's appeals fall flat in a nation where senior officials are frequently accused of corruption, while ordinary citizens face an unforgiving economic climate marked by soaring inflation, high unemployment, and limited opportunities. Observers note that while the president's message emphasizes discipline and resilience, it does not address the systemic problems undermining young people's prospects. Many citizens insist that without decisive action against entrenched corruption at the highest levels of government, calls for self-reliance will remain rhetorical and disconnected from the daily realities faced by millions.